Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are setting the fishing poles down and we have the 22. We're around the property at my cabin, and this year there's been a lot of chipmunks digging around our garage and kind of making homes underneath our deck and stuff. So before the damage gets too serious, I figured I'd get out here with the 22. It's been probably 2 years since I've shot some, and I figured I'd take some more off just to keep the population down before they cause any serious problems. But we're just on the edge of the woods where it meets our lawn, so we're gonna kind of start walking around. I got the 22, like I said. It's just a Remington, pretty basic. It's a model 522 Viper, and it's got a 10 clip magazine here, and I got my bigger camera so we can get up that close footage for you guys. But I know in the past, my chipmunk videos get quite a few views, so I figured I'd make one here and kind of keep the population down as well. So kind of killed two birds with one stone. Anyways, hopefully we can get a couple this weekend. Stay tuned. Alrighty guys, so you just saw me take 4 shots at I think 2 or 3 different chipmunks. I got 2 of them, and my very first shot I took, I completely missed. My second shot, I thought I hit one, and I just figured he went under the wood pile and died somewhere. But then I got one over here on my third shot, and as soon as I shot that one, I heard another one, and I walked over to my other spot and I saw one, and I shot him. So I either got 2 or 3 chipmunks here, and I know there's a couple more left. But here's that first one I shot right there, headshot. And then literally shot these 2 within a minute, not even, probably 45 seconds. And here is the second one I shot right there. It's a little gruesome, but these guys have been causing problems all around the cabin. They're digging around our garage and they're getting underneath our porch. So it's probably been 2 years since I shot a couple, so this is the year I'm going to shoot some. But we got 2 down. Hopefully we can get a couple more. Alrighty guys, there's the first 2. We are using the 22 again. I know I've had some comments in my past videos saying it's an overkill, and I would agree it is overkill, but I used to use my pellet gun a lot, and it was actually a gamma pellet gun, and for some reason the sight is always moving on it, and I can never keep it shooting in the one spot. So the 22, the sight's mounted on there really good, and it's always on. So that's what I've been using the past year and a half, 2 years now. But hopefully we can get a couple more. I got my nice camera out to get those close-up shots, and stay tuned. Alrighty guys, that is my third one for today. I've been a little rusty. I've been missing a couple of my shots, but I missed this guy once and I got him a second time. There he is, right there. But that's number 3. Hope we can get a couple more. Gonna wait till he clears that hole he's in. So when I shoot him, he doesn't fall in there and I can't get him. I'm gonna take my shot. He's been sitting there for a while. I just don't want him to go back into his hole. He moved a little bit. I think I got him. It's tough to tell. He kind of dropped right away into that stump. We'll take a walk over there and see if he's there. Alright guys, so I just shot that one and he was right on that stump and it looked like he fell. Oh yeah, we got him. It's probably a 30-yard shot. My longest shot so far. Oh yeah, we got him good. That is number 4. So that one is number 4. I actually shot 2 yesterday and 2 today, so it's 4 total. Hoping to get a couple more here. I know there's a few hanging around still, but we're definitely cleaning them up. It's been fun. Here are the 4 we got so far. Hopefully we can get a couple more. Alrighty guys, so that is the end of the chipmunk video. I ended up getting 4. And it was pretty fun. It's been a while since I shot some, but we're gonna do probably some more fishing this fall, and then hopefully deer hunting, and then some squirrel hunting hopefully as well, and then some dove hunting before all that. Hopefully in a week, next week or 2 before the bow opener happens, I can get out and dove hunt. So stay tuned for those videos. Thanks for watching.